is a sandwich that everyone loves. Today is National Grilled Cheese Day. And, we are celebrating it here. Chef Russ is here. Chef Russell from Bushes.
Welcome, sir.
Hello, Chef. How are you?
Thanks for having me. It's great to be here.
We're so glad to have you back.
I know. It's so great to be here.
All right, Chef Russ. I mean, a grilled cheese. You can do it. There's really no way to super mess this up, except for if you don't get
can't mess it up. Huh?
Well, yes, that is absolutely correct. Yes, it
good
is.
Cheese.
There is good cheese.
Bread.
Yes, you got to have tips and tricks to making a great grilled cheese.
Yeah.
And one really important thing is getting the bread and putting a little butter on it. Oh, yes.
Butter.
And this is a local Michigan butter right here. We have this at Bush's Fresh Food Market.
Can you get this at Bushes?
You sure can.
Okay.
Yeah, Charlie, take notes.
You put a little butter on there.
Look at this nice griddle.
Right, see that?
He's got going
This
there.
one's a specialty grilled cheese. We're doing a little goat cheese.
I like goat
See
cheese.
that?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Just like
This is the
that.
spot, right?
Yeah.
All right.
And we got a little bit of local blueberry preserves.
I've never seen a grilled cheese like this.
Oh, I'm telling you, this is so much fun.
Look at his mind.
Look at that. Yeah. We got our top layer going on here. This is
That's the grilled. That's it.
And you know, this is really just quite simple. But the thing about grilled cheese
Do you have
is,
enough butter there?
maybe not.
Charlie, I'm ready to bite it. Try.
It can really be anything you
put
want.
that like that. Okay.
Yeah, just like that.
Yeah.
We have one. Look, we can do a little bit of Asiago cheese bread, right? With a little butter here.
Gotta get the butter on there.
Oh yeah,
forget the butter.
right? See that? And then I've got some 3-cheese blend.
That's
We're talking. Now we're talking, Chef
Which
Russ.
of the cheeses is this one, Chef?
This is an Italian one with provolone and Parmesan,
Chef Russ,
mozzarella.
Is there a particular reason that you're using shredded cheese?
Yes.
So
I
shredded.
used to just
Right. Yeah,
look, it's
absolutely.
different
Getting a
on
sliced cheese is very convenient, very quick.
Right.
You don't have a lot of time at home. You want to use a nice sliced cheese.
Yeah, okay.
Absolutely. This really
I was
right
gonna do
here.
it too.
Does it matter how it melts down if it's shredded?
No, not really. You know, what's going to happen is this cheese on the side is going to caramelize a little bit.
Bruschetta.
caramelized.
It's like a
Right?
bruschetta.
That's a bruschetta mix and fresh basil.
You sell
here.
fresh basil at Bushes?
We have fresh
They sell
basil.
everything that you see here.
Yeah, we sell everything that you see here. We have all the treats that you could want for your grilled cheese. We have chips. It's good to have a nice salad from the deli.
Chips, you want
Right?
to try a chip?
Here's a green chip.
We got Boston
those
cream
ones doing
pie.
over there?
Yeah, so
I'm keeping
right
my eye
here,
out.
you can see. Let me put a little butter on
Right.
this.
Oh.
I can do a grilled
Charlie,
cheese.
would you like a green chip?
Well, yes, I will.
Yes, I thought so.
He said, why, yes, I will.
I'm going to try just a small.
Chuck, why do you think, I mean, this is a rhetorical question, but grilled cheese are so popular. I mean, they literally are like
Keep talking.
just a bite of home.
Yeah.
It's so warming and nostalgic.
Right. So it's a great, you know, you get home at night after work, you've got a lot to do still already. You want a quick meal. You can make a grilled cheese.
Oh, what's on that one?
So this one is this bruschetta one right here.
Oh, okay. And what's
this is our goat cheese.
Oh, so they already
Right
made
there.
them.
Yeah, and you can just pop this stuff together
Which one
real
are you gonna
quick.
try?
I'm going to try them now.
Oh, Charlie, this is it right here.
Yeah. A little small one. That's too big.
Okay.
I mean, just a little bit. Just that one. I like that one.
Okay.
He said, I like that one.
Smaller.
Yeah.
One more. That's it right there.
Careful, that's warm.
I'll try.
Come on, Lori. Which one are you doing, Lori?
Now, what is this one again?
Do this one.
That's the bruschetta with the Italian cheese blend.
Daddy.
Nice and gooey.
Told you.
We're gonna have to get you some lemonade.
Yeah, that's a good, those are signs of a good grilled cheese right there.
I need one of these.
Right?
It's not too bad.
Wow.
It's not too bad. A little messy to eat, but it's not too bad.
Yeah, that's fun.
That's one of them.
Yeah. That's not bad.
I never
have
thought
our-
about this. I do like it.
We have
But I
our
like goat cheese.
tomato soup. Careful, Charlie.
We just wanted you to enjoy it, not
It's not like turning
eat over.
Oh, very good.
What's he doing over here? Are you okay?
I choked on the. No, it's very good though.
Grilled cheese gone wrong.
It's really good.
Wow. Continue.
I think it's the cheese got stuck in the hole.
Please do, Lori.
I'm gonna.
Oh. Okay. Well, to find a location near you, visit bushes.com.
16
Charlie, are you
stores.
okay?
Chef Russ, this is amazing. We love having you here, everybody. All of these goodies you can get over at Bush's. Ingrid, I know you are jealous,
Rescue
but
us,
we're going to
please.
save you something.
Cheese day.
Happy grilled cheese month.
We're celebrating.